What's up, guys? Welcome back. Let's rip apart this KTM 50. That's it for anything plastic.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better
Probably do the shock first, huh?
it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Oh, that's dry.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Guys, it is important to take your bike apart every so often and grease things like this.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be
There you have it. We have a completely torn down 2001 KTM 50SX. I'm not sure if those are the right bearings. I've never seen bearings in that other than in a bicycle frame. I have to look into that. Swing arm, pivot shaft was dry. Bottom of the shock, pivot bolt was dry. Chain not doing so hot, I already knew that. Rear tire not doing so hot, I already knew that. I'm gonna end this off here. And I'm going to take a deeper dive into this, focus on things that it might need, things that it might not need, inspect for cracks and whatnot. And I'll get back to you guys. So if you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.